What's going to happen here?
Hey, we got a rodeo here at 5:30. Dinner, drinks, 7 o'clock in the Teton County Fair office. 8 o'clock, we'll have a band, 1-ton pig, till 10 o'clock.
What kind of rodeo is this?
We got some mechanical bulls over there, and then we've got a kind of a shortened rodeo, just with a few bulls over here.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, very good. Welcome. Hope you have a great time.
Yeah, champion?
It is 14.60 cents.
I got to be there.
Han sitter på med februari. Ja? Ciao nu Chicago. Gott all.
Howdy. Good evening, friends, neighbors, and distinguished guests from around the world. On behalf of our team, I want to welcome you all to our Spirit of the West show, where mountain grit meets cowboy spirit, where our past, present, and future come together under this big Wyoming sky. And let me tell you something, mountain rescue and the Wild West have more in common than you might think.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming.
Thank you, Adrian and Kate.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
All right, let's give it up one more time for the folks at the Wind River Tribal Buffalo Initiative and grabbing the bull by the horns.
Oh, look at here. I'll tell you right, the horse don't fall. Oh, you watch. Inside the heels of his boots, they were going from the horse's shoulder all the way up to that bareback rigging. Somebody jump on that deer. Jump on it. Whoa!
I don't know who those two guys are. Where did we come?
How did it go?
Well, fantastic.
Yeah. Did you win?
I think we won. I don't know.
Let's see the hometown take the win.
Yeah, hometown advantage. How about it? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've got one more rope on and
My name is Brandon Wilson. We're here at the Jackson Hole Rodeo. We're barrel racing right now. We're going to have some bull riding coming up. You've seen some bronc riding, bareback riding, and some team roping and some breakaway roping. Bull riding, we're just going to stay on this bull for 8 seconds. Got a bunch of just good bulls to get on and stuff, and these guys are going to have fun. Got some barrel racing going on out here.
Are you riding?
No, I own the stock, so I just help bring them in and get them loaded.
Thank you very much.
Hey, thank you.
Are you riding?
We're going to try.
That's all right. Now, folks, you watch this big red horse get a stride out and get around them. Yes, around them. All right, one more to go. Let's be safe. Shoulder around. Come on, Jack.
Yeah, we're coming here for when they're going.
What's your job?
Pick up
I'm gonna see if I can beat boy.
Cowboys off their horses safely. Hopefully.
That is right now in the lead. You're gonna get our stage shoes in. We wanted on one more lucky horse tonight.
We got my Wolfsburg gift.
Riding on a Friday night. How about it? Clap your hands, stomp your feet, let's get it shaking. Wind up on that bull rope. Gonna get everything right in balance, in tone. What's happening? Looking out towards your end. Get to it.
God, Pip! God, Pip! Yeah, buddy!
Keep it moving. You let the keep the losing. All right, just how about the first qualified ride tonight in the bull ride? All right, let's go. There we go, Donnie Prophet.
Go, Doc!
How about this big guy, the cowboy? Almost stuck to y'all. Yeah, we only put 1/4 of that one. He knew.
How was it?
That was awesome. Great time. Yep. Yeah, a lot of fun. Yeah, don't want any more than that. That was fun.